Who are the Open Group and what's TOGAF? In the previous lesson, we covered the benefits of enterprise architecture. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the Open Group, define what an architectural framework is, and explain why the TOGAF standard is suitable as a framework for enterprise architecture. Who are the Open Group? The Open Group is an industry consortium established in 1996 by the merger of X-Open and the Open Software Foundation. It comprises of over 700 organisations, including customers, systems and solution suppliers, tool vendors, academics, consultants and government agencies from around the world. It provides several services including strategy, management, innovation, research and standards, as well as certification and test development. The Open Group's aim is to enable the achievement of business objectives through technological standards, to develop open, vendor-neutral technology standards and certifications. Their goal is to enable an organisation to combine multiple sources of information effectively and efficiently, and to securely deliver the information whenever and wherever it's needed in the right context for the people or systems using that information. The Open Group endeavours to achieve this by working with its customers to capture, understand and address current and emerging requirements, establish policies and share best practice. It also works with suppliers, consortia and standards bodies to develop consensus and facilitate interoperability, and evolve and integrate specifications and open source technologies. It offers services to enhance the operational efficiency of consortia, and it develops and operates the industry's premier certification service. What is an architectural framework? An architecture framework provides a conceptual structure used to develop different architectures. It provides a set of tools, principles and practices to enable the development, implementation and maintenance of an enterprise architecture. It establishes a common practice and vocabulary for describing the various elements that make up the enterprise and its interrelationships. Ideally, it should also include a list of recommended standards and compliant products that can be used to implement the system. Finally, it acts as a management tool to assist the enterprise in building the capabilities to achieve its target architecture. The Open Group Architectural Framework, also known as TOGAF standard, is an architectural framework developed and maintained by the Open Group Architectural Forum. The Open Group Architectural Forum is a group of over 300 members from industry-leading companies and organisations around the world. The framework consists of a well-documented body of knowledge comprising a detailed method and a set of supporting tools for developing enterprise architecture. The first version of TOGAF was developed in 1995. It was based on the United States Department of Defense Technical Architecture Framework for Information Management. Subsequent versions have improved on the body of knowledge. TOGAF 9.2 is the latest version of this framework. The TOGAF body of knowledge is freely available from the Open Group's website. So why should you use the TOGAF standards as a framework for enterprise architecture? TOGAF was developed by over 300 Architectural Forum member companies. It includes world-leading IT vendors and customers. As such, it is consistent with the accepted industry best practice. Enterprise architecture is a technically complex process. Designing open, heterogeneous, multi-vendor architecture is especially challenging. TOGAF provides a general framework that can be adapted to the specific needs of the business. It is also designed to work flexibly alongside other frameworks such as ITIL, COBIT or PRINCE. Using TOGAF speeds up and simplifies architecture development. It ensures that a workable, cost-effective solution that meets the current and future needs of the business is developed. The TOGAF standard is a freely available and easily accessible resource provided by the TOGAF Group, and TOGAF is widely used across the globe. This means there is no shortage of suitably qualified and experienced people to assist in implementing it. TOGAF is also continually evolving and developing to keep it up to date with advances in enterprise architecture. In this lesson, we covered the following key points. The Open Group is a worldwide industry consortium of over 700 organisations. An architectural framework provides a conceptual structure to develop, implement and maintain enterprise architecture. The Open Group Architecture Framework, or TOGAF standard, is an architectural framework developed and maintained by the Open Group Architectural Forum. TOGAF provides a framework that can be adapted to the specific needs of the business and is designed to work flexibly alongside other business and IT frameworks. In the next lesson, we will be looking at the structure of the TOGAF standard and library. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, making sure to select all to be notified when the next lesson is available. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and share this video to help me help others learning enterprise architecture.